What's up, future millionaires? It's Professor Holler here, and in this video, we're diving deep into 7 incredibly lazy ways to generate passive income online. That's right, you can be sitting back, sipping your coffee, and watching those dollar signs roll in. Now, before we get started, let's talk about why passive income is the holy grail of personal finance. Passive income means you're earning money consistently without actively trading your time for it. Imagine waking up every morning with money already in your account from work you did once. In this video, we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building sustainable income streams that can free you from the 9-to-5 grind and allow you to live life on your own terms. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the 7 lazy ways you can start building your passive income empire today. All right, let's kick things off with a method so simple. You can literally do it in your pajamas. We're talking about proofreading with AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Proofreading? That sounds boring. But trust me, this isn't your English teacher's grammar lesson. With the power of AI, proofreading has become a lucrative side hustle that anyone can do. One platform I love for finding proofreading gigs is guru.com. It's a freelance marketplace where you can find tons of clients looking for eagle-eyed proofreaders like you. Tools like ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting for you. Just paste the text into ChatGPT, ask it to proofread and edit, and boom, it'll catch all those pesky errors in seconds, saving you time and effort. Think of it as having your own personal grammar assistant working tirelessly by your side 24/7. Beginner proofreaders can easily make $15 to $20 per hour. But as you gain experience and build a strong reputation on platforms like guru.com, you can charge even more. It's a simple, scalable business model that can generate a steady stream of passive income without requiring a ton of your time or effort. Let's move on to another fantastic way to make passive income: online AI-assisted transcription. Now, I know what you're thinking. Transcription, isn't that tedious and time-consuming? And you'd be right if you were doing it the old-fashioned way. But with the power of AI, transcription has become faster, easier, and dare I say, even enjoyable. And one of my favorite platforms for finding transcription jobs is rev.com. They have a massive database of clients constantly uploading audio and video files that need to be transcribed. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience to get started. Use an AI-powered transcription tool like Ritmix.com to speed up the process. Simply upload the audio file to Ritmix, let the AI do its magic, and then go in and clean up any errors. By combining rev.com S platform with Ritmix's AI-powered transcription, you can crank out transcriptions in a fraction of the time, significantly boosting your earning potential. Beginner transcribers can expect to earn around $15 to $25 per hour. But as you gain experience and improve your speed and accuracy, you can charge even more. Now let's talk about one of my favorite ways to generate passive income: online faceless YouTube channels. That's right, you don't need to show your face, edit fancy videos, or even use your own voice to build a profitable YouTube channel. The beauty of faceless channels is that you can create engaging content without ever stepping foot in front of a camera. Tools like Script AI can help you generate high-quality video scripts in minutes, while platforms like 11 Labs provide incredibly realistic AI voiceovers. And when it comes to editing, you don't need to be a Final Cut Pro wizard. NVIDIA's AI-powered video editing software can automatically cut, edit, and enhance your videos with just a few clicks. You can monetize your faceless channel through a variety of methods, including ads, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own digital products. The key is to find a profitable niche, create high-quality content that provides value, and promote your channel effectively. It's a game changer for passive income. Social media account flipping, turning followers into profits. All right, ready for another lazy way to make money online? Let's talk about social media account flipping. It's like flipping houses, but instead of bricks and mortar, you're flipping followers and engagement. Here's how it works. You create a social media account in a specific niche, grow it organically using proven strategies, and maybe a little help from platforms like light4light.org e-commerce, and then sell it for a profit on marketplaces like fameswap.com. Platforms like light4light.org offer powerful automation tools that can help you grow your account on autopilot. These tools can automatically like, comment, and follow other users in your niche, saving you time and effort while still growing your account organically. Once you've built a sizable and engaged following, you can list your account for sale on platforms like fameswap.com. Accounts with a few thousand engaged followers can easily sell for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. It's a profitable venture with minimal effort. AI website creation, building digital real estate on autopilot. Let's move on to a method that's perfect for those of you who love the idea of building digital assets. AI website creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building websites sounds complicated and technical, and it used to be. But with the rise of AI-powered website builders, anyone can create stunning professional websites in minutes, even if you have zero coding experience. One platform I'm incredibly impressed with is 10web.io. This AI-powered website builder makes creating websites feel like playing with Lego blocks. Simply drag, drop, and customize your way to a beautiful website in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. Platforms like Fiverr are teeming with clients willing to pay top dollar for stunning websites. Simply create a gig on Fiverr, offering your AI-powered website creation services, set your price, and watch the orders roll in. AI podcast editing, riding the podcast wave to passive profits. Podcasts are booming right now, and with that boom comes a massive demand for skilled podcast editors. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a sound engineering guru to cash in on this lucrative opportunity. With AI-powered podcast editing tools, you can clean up audio, remove background noise, and create professional-sounding podcasts with just a few clicks. One tool I highly recommend checking out is cleanvoice.ai. This AI-powered platform can automatically remove filler words, reduce background noise, and even improve the overall clarity and quality of your audio. Platforms like Fiverr are perfect for finding clients looking for podcast editing services. Create a gig showcasing your skills, highlight your use of AI for efficiency and quality, and set your price. Affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts, short-form videos, long-term profits. Now let's talk about a powerful combination that's taking the affiliate marketing world by storm. Affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are short, attention-grabbing videos that are perfect for promoting affiliate products. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or editing skills to create them. Tools like clickandshort.com make it incredibly easy to create engaging YouTube Shorts that convert. Simply choose a product you want to promote, film a quick video showcasing its benefits, and include your affiliate link in the video description. The key to success with YouTube Shorts is to create content that's engaging, informative, and entertaining. Think about the problems your target audience is facing and how the product you're promoting can solve those problems. Then create short, snappy videos that highlight those benefits in a compelling way. The $20,000 per week secret high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, for that bonus strategy I promised you, the one that made me nearly $20,000 in a single week, high-ticket affiliate marketing. This strategy is not for the faint of heart, but it has the potential to generate life-changing income. Imagine promoting a single product and earning thousands of dollars in commissions. Instead of promoting low-cost products with small commissions, you focus on high-end products or services that offer massive payouts. You need to build trust, establish yourself as an authority, and provide immense value to your audience. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. I've seen firsthand how high-ticket affiliate marketing can transform your income and your life. You can implement many of the strategies we've already discussed, like Faceless YouTube channels and YouTube Shorts, to promote high-ticket offers effectively. To learn more about my high-ticket affiliate marketing strategies, including the exact steps I took to make nearly $20,000 in a week, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'll be diving deep into this topic in a future video, and you won't want to miss it. Unlock your passive income potential. So there you have it, 7 lazy ways to make passive income online. plus a bonus strategy that has the potential to take your earnings to the next level. We talked about everything from proofreading with AI to flipping social media accounts, from creating faceless YouTube channels to building digital real estate on autopilot. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is useless. So choose one of these methods that resonates with you, take the first step, and start building your passive income empire today. Hit that like button. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more passive income tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.